What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today we have got your art therapy session sorted out for you this evening, and we also have our motivational affirmations at the end of the show as well. So what are we all waiting for? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone? Hope you are all well and had a good week and a good weekend. And if you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist. I upload art therapy videos on a Wednesday and Tuesday, and I do commission sketches for clients as well, ranging from people's portraits to their pet portraits as well. And if you'd like to know more about my commissions that I create, you can click over to my website, www.romeosketches.co.uk, to see all the testimonials from people that I have drawn for and to see the work that I did for them too. And going on to commissions and drawings, I was drawing the Jason Momoa Aquaman drawing, and I have now completed it. I shall show you the completed picture now. It is looking absolutely amazing. There we go. The finished drawing of the Aquaman himself. Absolutely fabulous. There's lots of detail involved in this drawing. If I put it up nice and close for you through there, I'm going to put up a digital image of it now as well, so you can have a little look at this. But here we go. It is on an A2 size piece of paper. Nice and big. So I'm going to be selling that one as well. That's going to be framed and signed by myself, and it's going to be up on my website for sale. Keep your eyes open for when that one comes online. And if you like to draw the mandala drawings that I do as well, check those out. They are on a Wednesday upload. Nice bit of art therapy for yourself if you want to get involved with drawing any of those mandala drawings. You can pick up my book, the How to Draw Mandala book. Absolutely a brilliant book to draw along with these mandalas. I have a playlist of videos that I am drawing from my How to Draw Mandala book. Follow along if you have purchased that book. If you want to purchase it, link is in the description below. It is absolutely brilliant if you want to be drawing these patterns. You can follow along to my videos or create your own. Give the book away as a gift for someone's birthday, Christmas, anything like that. It's a great little gift to give to people. And if they need some bit of inspiration, and it's a great way to unwind and relax, pick up that book and you can follow along to any of my videos as well. Plus as well, I have the Mood Tracker Diary, which is called It's Not Just Motivational on Mondays. That is also up on my Amazon store too. You can follow along to any of my Zentangle drawings. There's a space in there for you to do any Zentangle drawings, and you can follow along to any of those videos that I create on this video. It's a great little book. Also another great gift to give to people. It's a great way of writing down all your feelings, what you are feeling, what you want to accomplish, any sort of gratitude that you may have. And it's a great way of writing things down in a diary where you can look back on it and see your progression through your time of writing in that book, and how you have come out on the other end, and look back and think to yourself what you was going through and how better you are now from writing those things down, and getting through it, pushing yourself through it, and coming out as a much better person. There is also a breathing exercise on there, as well as my Zentangle drawings. Pick that up from the Amazon store. Link is in the description below. And we also have at the end of the show my affirmations for you too. Brilliant little video to listen to. It's only a 5-minute video of gentle music and just a playback of affirmations being said to you. Close your eyes. Relax, chill out, listen to it, repeat it over and over again, listen to the words that are being said to you. It's a great way of having those words being sent into your subconscious, for it to sit there and for you to then sort of think about it and know that those are the sort of things that you are wanting in your own life. Listen to that video often before you go to bed, when you wake up, relax, have a nice little chill out time listening to it, and you will find yourself progressing and getting better, and having a more productive day or evening, and a nice relaxing sleep too. It's a great way of sitting there and listening to these affirmations being said to you, having that bit more motivation for yourself and that little bit more positivity. That is coming up at the end of the show. We are now moving on to our art therapy session where we are going to be drawing this little flower pattern here. Great little pattern to be drawing. Nice and relaxing to do. Got your repeated pattern in there. We're going to be using a pen and pencil. And if you have the Mood Tracker diary, you can follow along with this. Or if you haven't, get yourself a piece of paper. Draw yourself a nice even square all the way around. And you can follow along to the next tutorial. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll the video. And how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a like if you did. And now let's move on to today's affirmations. Sit back, put on some headphones, close your eyes, relax, start to breathe in deeply. Nice. Breathing in deeply and letting it all back out again on a count of, you want to be doing it for a count of 10. Breathing in for 4 seconds through the nose and exhaling out through your mouth for 6. Breathing in for 4. And breathing out for 6. Getting nice and relaxed, nice and chilled out. Put those headphones on and just sit back now and listen to these affirmations to have a more productive start to the day, or to have a nice sleep and to give yourself that bit of motivation. Sit back and relax, folks. Close your eyes and get comfortable. Relax and listen to these words. I belong in this world. There are people that care about me and my worth. My past may be ugly, but I am still beautiful. I have made mistakes, but I will not let them define me. My soul radiates from the inside and warms the souls of others. I don't compare myself to others. The only person I compare myself to is the person I was yesterday. And as long as the person I am today is even the tiniest bit better than the person I was yesterday, I am meeting my own definition of success. Note to self, I'm going to make you so proud. I finish what matters and let go of what does not. I feed my spirit. I train my body. I focus my mind. This is my time. My life has meaning. What I do has meaning. My actions are meaningful and inspiring. What I have done today was the best I was able to do today, and for that, I am thankful. One small positive thought in the morning can change my whole day. So today I rise with a powerful thought to set the tone and allow success to reverberate through every moment of my day. I set goals and go after them with all determination I can muster. When I do this, my own skills and talents will take me to places that amaze me. Happiness is a choice, and today I choose to be happy. I am successful in whatever I do. I plan my work and work my plan. I focus on what is truly essential. I will make the most of new opportunities. Good flows to me. Good flows from me. I feel wonderful and alive. I feel the joy of abundance. I speak with confidence and calm assurance. The universe provides for my everyday want and need. I am healthy and happy. I have a lot of energy. I radiate happiness. I am successful in what I do. Everything is getting better every day. My mind is calm. I am always on the path of success and victory. I am peace with myself. I find peace in all aspects. I find peace and joy in all aspects of my life. I have value and I matter. I am success in all that I do. I am happy. Slowly now open your eyes and feel more motivated. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed that little video there, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of that video. And that's the end of the show, folks. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.